In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks 2300 PSI Pressure Washer. Your pressure washer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble this pressure washer. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Installing the wheels. Slide the axle through the wheel and the handle frame. Then secure it with a cotter pin. Repeat the same process on the other side. Step 3. Unfolding the handle. Pull out the knob on the lower bracket, lift the upper handle into position, and release the knob so the bolt locks into place. Step 4. Installing the upper panel. Align the screw sleeves on the front panel with the holes on the upper handle. Then tighten them using a Phillips screwdriver. You can now store your nozzles in their respective spot on top of the panel. Step 5. Installing the hose hook. Behind the upper panel, push the hose hook ends into the clips until they're firmly in place. Step 6. Installing the spray gun holder. To attach the spray gun holder, line up the screw sleeves with the holes on the upper handle and secure it with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 7. Installing the power cord storage. Start by inserting the screw through the storage arm. Align the screw with the hole on the upper handle and tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. Repeat this process with the second arm on the lower handle. Installing the spray wand. Push the end of the wand into the trigger handle and twist the coupler clockwise until it locks. Give it a gentle pull to make sure it's secure. Check for any leaks before use. Installing the high pressure hose. Push and turn one end into the inlet coupler of the gun until it's firmly secured. Then attach the other end to the water outlet coupler of the pressure washer and tighten it securely by turning clockwise. Connecting the water supply. Now we'll hook up the water supply using a garden hose. Before you connect the hose, make sure there are no blockages. The water must come from a clean, cold main supply, never from ponds, lakes, or hot water sources. The minimum PSI for well water is 45. Spray nozzles. Your pressure washer comes with different spray tips for different jobs. The 15-degree yellow tip provides a concentrated high-impact spray ideal for heavy-duty cleaning on hard surfaces like concrete, brick, and masonry. The 25-degree green tip is great for general cleaning with strong pressure without damaging most surfaces. The 40-degree white tip produces a wide, gentle spray, perfect for wood decks or other delicate surfaces. The turbo nozzle spins in a tight pattern to blast away stubborn dirt and grime. To install a spray tip, pull back the quick connect collar on the wand, insert the tip, then release the collar. Tug gently to make sure it's locked in place. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.